Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So this video was recorded on 19th December. So it was fin nifty expiry. So you can see I had taken a spread on that day. So it was a good risk reward actually. So I thought of recording the entire progress. So you can see I have marked some critical positions in all the three index, that is Nifty, Bank Nifty and Financial Nifty as well. See the green mark, it's a good support actually. So this is a recorded video. So I had some work, I couldn't upload this uploading on the weekend. So you can see it has a good support, and next support was all the way down. So entire probability was the entire gap would be filled. So I just took the good spread. So you can see all those were in a good support area actually. This was the position which I was holding, 21,450, 21,350. So you can see this how it goes. It was a good risk reward. Morning itself I got some good move and took the cover as well. So you can see it was a pretty good risk reward. 12,000 was the maximum profit, and even a loss was very minimum. So it was. Loss was around 850 something. Just holding until risk reward ratio was around 1:13. It's pretty good. I'll show you the orders which I took. So it was 21,450. I took around 400 quantity. So it was in the first candle itself. I was bearish on that day. So you can see 400 quantities. And when I was in good profit, I took the cover, that is 21,350. So it was just 120 quantity. So what I did was the rest quantities I just exited. So that's how I got some pretty good risk reward. So you can see I exited 280 quantities. So it made 120, 120 in both. Finance Nifty, it has broke the support. So let's see whether it goes further down, whether it triggers a small sell-off. So let's look at it. Bank Nifty. So it's yet to break in Bank Nifty support. So it's around 12. So we can see a reversal in Finance Nifty. So it broke, but it did not sustain and trigger a sell-off. So you can see in Bank Nifty it took support out of that level. So that was the reason for the reversal. One thing is it is facing resistance from CPR. So let's wait and watch. So this is the position. So I did a small scalping. So just neglect those both positions. So it was a small scalping. So we can see our 21,450 premium is around 1.28. So I have averaged it further down. So now we can see it's just 1.28. That's what I do. I average it with high quantity scalping. So just now we will analyze and see. We'll exclude that two scalping positions. So yeah, you can see we have neglected the entire losses as well. So whatever happens, we'll be in profit now. So it's 13,000 and 1,500. So it's no loss position. That's how I averaged it. So you can see my put leg is 1.28 and my cover is 14. So I'll be in profit. So whatever happens. So that's how I averaged it. It's almost I thought of closing the position. We did not see any major movement after that. So we can see now it's 13.76. That is not 13.76. That is minus 13.76. It's not showing properly. So I further averaged it. So it's now minus 13, and I have changed the leg also. You can see 21,400. I exited the 21,350 leg. So I closed all the positions. That's how you can see we do not see a major movement after that. So I thought of closing all the positions. So we ended in for the day. So that's how I work on splits. I average a lot, keep a good risk limit. Thanks for watching the video.